All right, I'm here in Kutaisi, Georgia, and it's a beautiful cloudy day. Not being sarcastic, I love that. I'm from New England. This is about 42 degrees latitude here, which is like being in Plymouth, Massachusetts or Worcester. It's 68 degrees out. The currency here is the lari, and the US dollar is very strong against it, so things are quite affordable. You can buy a cup of coffee and that sort of thing for $1.10, $1.20. A modest lunch is $3. They were part of the former Soviet Union, and then they helped instigate the collapse of it, and they left it in 1991, the same time that it collapsed. And pretty much since then, they've adopted capitalism and thrived. Fun fact, when a car gets totaled by an insurance company in the United States, what remains of the car is often sold to a few key countries: Nigeria, Ukraine, and this one. So the Georgians buy up our scrap metal, the remainder of the car, and then they fix it up. There's some sort of trap and release dog program like Turkey has. I don't want to wake this dog up, because you see these dogs and they'll have their ear clipped. He's got it on his other ear. It'll be a yellow tag. It's a beautiful country. All the people have been very friendly. It seems like a bit of a monoculture. It's kind of insulated here in the Caucasus, so everybody has a very similar look. Oh, I always love these. I never can remember what these are called, but this is like the iconic Soviet era car. It looks like that one in The Simpsons. He said that this is from a country that no longer exists. So I recommend coming to Georgia, and put it in the comments. What do you think of this country?